What's up guys, AndersCubes here, and today I found a better way to do CubeHead's national record. Although he did say that he didn't have a better way, but this is actually a better way. So let's do the scramble. Scramble's on screen, and we'll do it on yellow cross so that we get a white bottom. Alright, so on white we can do his solution for the cross. But when we get to the green, we're going to keep doing a D, like this. Insert this orange and like that. Insert this pair, like so. Now we have a double xxcross. And then we're going to insert the red and blue pair in the back, like this, giving us this nice bar. Then we do a D2, which makes two back pairs like that. Now we have this free pair. We're going to insert it into the front. Then we have this pair, which is not the best, but we're going to insert it intuitively, and then do a sledgehammer. Then we're going to do this OLL, and then we get a G perm, and we can do it from the back with a U2 AUF. So in my opinion, I think this is better because you have an X-cross and a free pair, double X-cross and free pair, as well as really easy OLL, and the PLO is already set up for you. So if you guys agree, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and yeah, see you for more content like this. Peace.